Hello friends, welcome back to lmsle.com. In this video, I will show you how you can use the Canva's recently introduced Magic Edit feature to easily update your images. You can easily remove anything from your image and replace it with a content which is created through AI. So without wasting any more time, let me show you how you can use the Canva's Magic Edit feature in the latest Canva version. So as of now, you can see that I have a page without anything on it. So let me add this image on the page. And now what I would like to do is to replace this pencil with a pen. Let us say, for example. So all you need to do is to click on this edit photo button here by selecting this image, and then click on this magic edit feature here. So there are three steps which you need to do. First is to brush over the image on the part where you would like to change. So let me just brush this portion on the image that I want to replace this pencil. And I hope I have covered everything on this pencil. So now let me click continue. In the second part, you have to describe what exactly you want to do. So let me say that I want a blue ball pen, and then click on the generate button here. Now Canva will do a magic and replace this pencil with a pen which will be of blue color, and it will give me few options to choose the best. So as you can see that I have got 4 options. So let me try one of these. No, this does not look good for me. This one seems slightly better. This one does not look good. So I think that this one looks good as of now for the purpose. So then all you need to do is click on done. If you are not satisfied with the result, then you can click on this generate new results button here. So it will take some more time to collect more results. And here we go, we have got few more options. So let me choose this one. Okay, this looks good, pretty nice. So let me click on this done button here. So as you can see, now we have easily replaced the pencil here with a ball pen. And in a similar way, you can also use this magic edit feature to edit any image using Canva. So I hope you like this video. In case you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the near future. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.